It's a big day today in Delhi. It's the last day for filing nominations for the elections on the 7th of February, and several top leaders will be filing their nominations today, namely the BJP's chief ministerial candidate Kiran Bedi. There you can see her accompanied by Union Minister Dr. Harshvardhan on a road show in the Krishnanagar constituency as she's on her way to file her nomination papers. This is a constituency that Dr. Harshvardhan has nurtured when he was in MLA. He is now an MP and a union minister, and Kiran Bedi this seat has been selected for her because it is seen as a BJP safe seat, a BJP stronghold. So she is filing her nomination papers today. She's already been speaking of her plans as she becomes the chief minister and outlining her vision, saying there'll be a white paper which she will ask for on each department in the government, and also a safety audit of the city, a safety perception audit of Delhi. Remember, that's been a big issue in Delhi elections, the safety of women, how the capital remains unsafe for women. So Kiran Bedi has said that that's one of her first steps that she's going to take. On her way to the constituency also, she has been interacting with many of the citizens, many of her constituents, and asking them about their problems and outlining her plan for them. You can see she garlanded the statue of Lala Lajpat Rai before she left for that road show, also putting a BJP flag around the statue, and that's come in for some amount of criticism. But Kiran Bedi, they're accompanied by Dr. Harshvardhan as she's on that roadshow. Well, NDTV's Ketki Angre managed to catch up with her. Let's just listen in.
On the open jeep of Dr. Kiran Bedi and Dr. Harshvardhan together as they go to file their nomination papers. Dr. Bedi, you've already talked about your plans for Delhi, a security perceptibility index and also a white paper. Many are saying you're already talking like you're the chief minister.
Just wait for a few more days.
All right, and nominations, we saw a big show of strength by the Aam Aadmi Party yesterday. How many supporters are we seeing? Is it comparable?
I don't believe in comparisons.
And you also talked about, many are saying, is there dissent within the party because your name has been announced?
Everybody's together, just see who all are there. You got Dr. Harshvardhan. This is his hard work of years and years. I'm like a gardener who's going to tend his entire garden. This is his garden. I'll be like a gardener and somewhere a little guardian.
And you also said that let's not repeat the mistakes of last time when the BJP fell short of the majority by just a few seats.
I wish he was the chief minister. Delhi would not have lost one valuable year.
Dr. Harshvardhan, this is a constituency you have nurtured for many years, and today, a united front, there's a lot of very visible camaraderie.
I think I'm so happy that these people who loved me and blessed me for so many years, they are loving and blessing her also with the same spirit. And I am transferring the responsibility of this constituency to an able person. I am sure he's going to look after my people and the people of Delhi, and I wish her all the good luck, and my people are already there to get her a great victory.
And also yesterday, Aam Aadmi Party held a rally very close to your house. What was the response you got from your supporters?
I didn't go and see the rally, and I am not bothered about any responses of anybody's rally or anything. All these years I have always worked in a positive direction. I have always planned for the people. I have always worked for the people. I never bother what others are saying, what others are doing. Those who know me, they know that whatever I am saying right now is truth and nothing else except truth.
All right. Kiran Bedi there, of course, saying that the time for debates is over. It's time now for delivery, and this is a process in that direction. Back to you.
All right, so that is Ketki speaking earlier to Kiran Bedi and Dr. Harshvardhan. Kiran Bedi on her way to file her nomination. Today is the last day for filing nomination.